Look at this. We need to solve this. How do you solve each of this? With what we have learned. We've said several times. If you have something like this guy need to excuse this group. You need to go to the back. This guy should only carry one thing. He's carrying 3 things like that. This guy will be complaining. My neck. He's tired. Okay? Since this and this are the same. Remember, second to the last law. This is 1. When they are the same like this becomes 1. So 1 multiplied by this is 9. This is 9. Understand? This come here, because these are the same, is 1. 1 multiplied by 9 is what? It's 9. This. What is the meaning of this 125? In terms of 5, 5 here is 25, 5 here is 5, 5 here is 1. That is 5 raised to power 3. So I can write this as 5 raised to power 3 square root. What is the meaning of square root? That is raised to power 1 over 2. Please, if you don't understand indices, go and check my indices examples. Start from the first class on indices in this channel. We've explained all this. That is the reason why I'm not repeating myself here, okay? So this simply means now, this multiplied by this, that is 3 over 2. Now, this guy is carrying this and this. Too long. One of them must go, which is the first one, must go to the back. That is 3 over 2. What is the meaning of this, by the way? It means multiply by log 5 to the base of 5. So this is 1. 3 over 2 multiplied by 1, you agree with me, is 3 over 2. That is the answer, okay? What about this? This simply means log 3. What is the meaning of square root of 81? That is 9. What is 9 in terms of 3? It means 3 raised to power 2. Now, 1, 2, 3. So this guy need to leave here. Come here. This is 1. That is 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. This is 2. Okay?